Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you new integrations with the XPression Video Codec and VLC Media Player. What I want to show you here, I've got a full download list of XPression 9.5 software. I'm going to open up my XPression Video Codec installer. I'm going to get this out of the way here. And you can see as I step through the installer, this is telling me that it's going to install both the 32 and 64-bit versions. And there's now a new option in here, VLC 3.x plugin. What this basically means is the XPression Video Codec now becomes a plugin to the VLC Video Media Player software. And VLC is an alternative video player. So you can find it at VideoLAN.org is where you can download this distributable. And this is a non-profit tool, and it's an open source style project. But what this lets me do is I can now install the video codec and use it with VLC. So for example, I've just done that install. Now I'm going to come over here to one of my Windows folders. I've got some XPression codecs. This is an old one from the elections. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose open with, and you can see that I've got the typical Windows media player. QuickTime obviously wouldn't work because it's a Windows codec, but if I go to VLC Media Player that I've installed on my computer, you can see now that I have this particular clip is playing fine, and this is just another way to use this on my desktop, and I can make the codec and VLC be my video player of choice for things outside of XPression when I want to do QC work on XPression video clips.